My name is Brett Vandervelde. I'm the site lead for APTIM services, and we support the Flint Hills Resources Pine Bend Refinery. So we provide Flint Hills Resources with a lot of scaffold services, erection and dismantling around their refinery, and we intend to utilize LIFTBOT to help us do that more successfully. LIFTBOT is an exciting new product to the construction industry, helping us move materials vertically, eliminating potential safety issues or physical constraints, as well as other constraints that occur on the construction site. I think for a long time at this project site in particular, we've utilized our employees to move these materials. So as we're erecting scaffolding, we're adding individual employees each layer that we move vertically, and they're helping continue to move those materials. Alternatively, we've leveraged cranes as well as ropes and things of this nature, well wheels, to help move these materials. And LIFTBOT's giving us the opportunity to offset some of those past used resources and leverage them differently and opening up new opportunities. We compared a few of the different products on the market, from material hoists and lifts, and we felt that LIFTBOT had a competitive advantage in terms of its mobility, its data analytic capabilities, its autonomy. And when we met with Kawazu, and they told us that they find that 30 feet is really the range or the height where they're able to find efficiencies or equivalencies to using manpower versus a LIFTBOT, that opened up a huge amount of opportunity for us to leverage this tooling on this project site. So our intentions of implementing LIFTBOT is not to have one stationary location and we're going to limit or constrain ourselves to just have it supporting that one scaffold or that one point. We'd like to have rails all over a project, and as those different locations require materials to be moved vertically, simply detach the LIFTBOT and move it to the other rail location. That's the kind of flexibility or agility that was really appealing to us from LIFTBOT's design standpoint. So we have the general basket for scaffold use, and then we also have the general material platform, which has different designs and different ergonomic features to allow different users with smaller materials or different size and shape materials to be able to move them vertically as well. For us, LIFTBOT is eliminating constraints, whether those are manpower constraints, equipment constraints, or most importantly, the constraints that are posed to us from a safety standpoint. Our intention would be to utilize LIFTBOT for both turnarounds and maintenance, and as capital projects avail themselves, it'll certainly be applicable there as well. There are so many hardworking people that work in construction, whether that's in commercial or industrial or oil and gas scenarios, and to continue to help these people be successful in their careers, to better themselves, their families, and do so safely, that's what motivates us. And I think that LIFTBOT is a great piece of equipment that's going to help achieve that goal.